Alright guys, I was gifted this Sunbird Corsair cuddy cabin, and it had a leaking carburetor on it. Otherwise everything works. I rebuilt the carburetor, but it had a strip screw in the bowl, so it was leaking. I bought a new one and put it on, and the motor fired right up. I let it run for about a minute till I could see that there was no water coming from the exhaust, and I pulled the lower end off to do the impeller, which I should have done before I even started it, but I didn't. And I don't think I did this. This was done before I got the boat, because I mean, I let it run for maybe 30 seconds, but this is what I found. And this, you know, and then the base was, this was melted onto the base, and you can see here, I mean, so I didn't have a base in the kit, and so I had to order one. It's got a crack here, and I might be able to flatten that out. I just didn't feel comfortable with it. I figure I mean, it's easy enough to get a new one. But my question is, so I got in here, it's all full of dirt, and it looks like they ran through some mud or some dirt. But my question is for those of you that know, is this too much play in this crankshaft? It seems to be okay. It rolls good. The motor, or the oil that came out of it was brand new. So I don't know if that's too much play. Once you put the base on, there's no play at all, really, right? I mean, once this is bolted down, or once this is down inside, then there's no play at all, really, once that's bolted down. But I don't know. So you guys that know more than me about boats, if you could let me know. And then this here washer has a bevel on it, and I'm going to assume, because now of course I can't get that out without 2 fingers. Anyway, you know, there's a bevel on here. Now, let's see if I can do it like this. Hold on just a second, please, if you can't see this. Okay, so there's a bevel on here, and I'm guessing since this is marked and there's nothing here that can make that mark, I'm gonna guess that the bevel goes down, and that goes, so if there's, that bevel goes down. So if there's anybody that can tell me different, that would be cool. Yeah, I would like to be able to get it on the water at least. I know in the near future I'll probably have to rebuild this lower end, and even probably reseal the top end. If that bearing has too much play, then I'm sure I'll have to change that. But let me know if that's too much play there. Thanks.